In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default homepage in Salesforce. This process is a fantastic way to ensure that when you log into Salesforce, you land directly on the page that best suits your needs. Getting this set up right can save you time and make your workflow more efficient. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account, so make sure you have your credentials handy. Once you're signed in, you should find yourself on the familiar Salesforce dashboard. This is your starting point, and from here, we can make the necessary changes to optimize your experience. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll notice a gear icon. This is your gateway to Salesforce settings, a quick access tool for customizing your account. Go ahead and click on this gear icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Setup. This action will transport you into the deeper configuration settings where you can further tailor your Salesforce environment to better fit your business needs. Once you're in Setup, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you will see a search bar labeled Quick Find. This handy tool allows you to quickly navigate to specific settings without having to scroll endlessly. Type App Manager into the Quick Find box. As you begin typing, options will start to appear below, and among them, you will see App Manager. Click on it to open the next stage of our configuration journey. In the App Manager, you'll find a list of apps available in your Salesforce environment. These apps represent different functions or departments within your organization, such as sales or marketing. Take a moment to identify the app for which you want to set a default homepage. For this example, let's say we're focusing on the Sales app. Scroll through the list until you locate the app you're working with. Next to the app's name, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Clicking this arrow will reveal additional options. From these options, choose Edit. This will allow you to access the settings for that specific app, where we'll make the necessary adjustments. Within the app settings, locate the section labeled Default Landing tab. This particular setting determines which page appears first when you open the app. Simply click in this section, and a list of available home pages will be presented to you. From this list, select the home page that you want as your default. Consider choosing a page that aligns closely with your daily responsibilities for the most seamless and efficient workflow. Once you've made your selection, remember to save the changes you've made. Look towards the bottom of the screen for the Save button and click it to ensure your new default homepage is locked in and ready for your next login. That's it. You've successfully set a new default homepage in Salesforce. The next time you log in, you'll land immediately on the page you want, perfectly primed to start your day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.